How to build a task manager in Notion. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a task manager in Notion. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and create a page. We'll just simply click on add a page, and then we want to name this page task manager like so, and we'll keep it an empty page, and we'll click on / to add a few details like a table view like so. Okay, so for now we're going to go ahead and create a new database right here. We'll just search for database inline. All right, here we go, and we're going to call it project. There we go. Now what we can do is we can create a relations right here and connect it to projects. There we go. Add relation. Boom. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and fill out the data for projects. So we're going to keep this name right here. We're going to create another one. We'll delete this one, and this one will be a status type of property, and we'll say not started, in progress, and done. Not started will be done, and actually we'll keep this, and complete will also add. Actually, this is perfect. You can just simply go ahead and rename this however you want to, color them however you feel like it, and then you are good to go. Next, we'll create a date type of property, and we'll call this timeline. Over here, you can add the dates when it is finished or whatnot, when your projects are finished. Next, we'll also add another checkbox, and this will be a archives, so that whenever you want to archive a project, you can go ahead and do so. We'll leave it at that. There you go. Looks pretty cool. Now, if you've already linked them, that's good. But if you haven't, you could just simply click over here, click on the relations option right here, and just simply select projects and just call it tasks. And you can choose to whether you want to show it on projects or not. It depends on you. But yeah, we'll choose it to show on projects. There we go. I'll close it up. Boom, there we go. It's already called tasks. Now let me just add in some data so that you guys can understand. So we'll just call it tasks 1 right here, tasks 2. There we go. Now if you click over here onto tasks, you can see that we already have it right here. We can go ahead and add it right here to 3. It depends on you. There you go. But as you can see, it's on title, so we'll just remove it right here. There we go. Oops, sorry. We'll just backspace so that it is now disconnected. We'll add task 1 here, tasks 2 here, and task 3 here. And over here you can add whatever you want, project 1 or 2, and as you can see, it appears over here in the project, right? So it looks pretty cool. Now you understand what we did. We linked both of them, and projects will appear on the tasks database, and tasked options will appear in the project database. So now we are going to go ahead and create a subtask and category right here. We're going to click on add, and we're going to type sub, and we're going to select the relationships, form, and we're going to select task, and we're going to call it subtask right here. And we are going to separate the directions. All right, if you don't know what this will do, if you click over here, it creates properties for each directories of a two-way relationship, useful for modeling parent task / subtask. So we select this one. This will be the subtask, and this will be the parent task, right? We just simply click on add relation. There you go. Now, this is the subtask. This is the related back to task. We'll just rename it to parent task. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to create a database view that can show us easily all the task, subtasks, or parent tasks that are available to us. For that, we need to create a page template. Now, page templates are very useful, so let me show you how you can do that. First, we'll click over here, all right, onto these blocks right here on the options next to table, and we'll turn it into a page. Same thing we're going to do with table as well, with projects. All right, I forgot to rename it, but yeah, we're going to turn it into pages. There we go, tasks and projects. Now what we need to do is we need to go inside these tasks, and we want to select all 4 of them, right? All 4 of these, and we want to copy the link. There we go. We want to copy links to all, right? And we want to open them up, and over here we'll create a page template. We'll call this new task, and over here we'll / link. We'll paste the link, and we'll simply click on create linked view of database. There we go. We'll change the view of this to a list, right? We'll click on these four dots, we'll click on layout, and we'll change it to a list, right? So, and then we want to enable the checkbox or the complete property. There we go. Next, we have to filter this new task, right? We'll go ahead and hide it, and we'll click on filter, and we'll select parent task. There you go. And we'll select the new task that was created like so. And for this one, click on enter. Another important part that I forgot, you have to open up this, right? Open up any task, and over here create a new template, and over here rename this new template called new task, and then just simply paste the link and click on create linked view. This will of course follow the exact same steps. Then we will of course change the layout to list. There we go. Go back, change the properties to show the checkbox. There we go. And also we need to add a filter, which will be the parent task, and the parent task will be the name of this new task that we have created, which is going to be this one right here. Then we select that. Boom. There we go. We will also create another, sorry about that. No, we need to delete this. Another filter we need to add is going to be completed. So is unchecked, so it will only show tasks that are unchecked. Also we need to rename this, right? Also we need to hide this, of course, hide this database title, and we'll rename it to subtasks. There we go. Looks pretty cool, looks nice. And that is how you do it. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with the projects as well. So but before we do that, I need to turn it back into inline. There we go. And now we need to copy the link. There we go. Of course we also need to turn it into inline as well. We will copy the link of the tasks, and we will open up any task right here like so. It's opened up. We'll create a template, all right, and we'll call it new project. Doing the exact same thing, paste the link of the task, create a linked view of the database like so. The process is going to be exactly the same, all right, except for one thing. Let me show you, which is going to be the filter. All right, let me just hide the database title. Instead of, the parent task, we'll go with a new filter. The filter is going to be, of course, in project instead of task. We'll go with project, and we'll select the parent as the new project like so. We'll select that, and of course we are going to add the complete is unchecked. Of course I'm going to create two ones. This is going to be incomplete. We'll click on done, and now we will duplicate it. There we go. It is now duplicated, and we'll add it right here, and we'll call it complete like so. I added the gallery view. If you don't know how to add that, you just simply click on forward and just scroll down to the very bottom, and you will see columns A, B, 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns. So I selected 2 columns, and now we have incomplete and complete. Of course, the filter is going to be checked because since it is completed, so it's supposed to show completed. Next, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and create a new view. So now what we can do, since this is the task manager, now what we'll do is I'll just simply go ahead and copy the link just in case. Now I will turn this into pages and create a new view where I can divide my task into common dates like tomorrow, today, and next week, right? So first I will create a multi-column page right here. I'll click on / scroll down, and I will select these 3 columns. You can go with 4, 5, whatever. As you can see, I have now columns 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. Now what I will do now is I will paste the link of my task over here and click on create link view database like so. So we're going to change the view, all right, to lists. Of course it's already there. Now we're going to change the property, okay, date of completion, and we will click on the check mark. There we go, and we'll just simply hide this database title. There we go. Now what we can do is, since we have already gotten 3 blocks right here, go ahead and duplicate right so. Duplicate these and control and duplicate this. Move it right here, and we'll take this one and move it right here like so. And of course decrease the size somewhere like this, increase the size like so. We'll increase the space. Now we'll just go ahead and rename it, right? Today, tomorrow, and next 7 days or next week like so. Now since this is today, so we're going to change the filter to today. We're going to click on DOC and we're going to click on advanced, right? Add an advanced filter, DOC, like so, right? DOC is today and completed is unchecked. This will allow us to see any tasks that are not completed right here. And same thing for tomorrow. Since this is for tomorrow, of course, the filters are going to be DOC. We'll go ahead and add a advanced filter. DOC is tomorrow, like so. And of course, we'll go ahead and completed is unchecked, of course. There we go. And of course, for this one, we're going to add more filters. We're going to have to add 2 more date filters. All right. We'll go ahead, click on doc, go on advanced filters, where doc is after tomorrow, like so. We'll add another advanced filter where doc is between. We'll select the date range is relative to day, this, or we'll call it next 1 week. There we go. All right. And we'll add another filter rule where completed is unchecked. There we go. Now we have now created the multi-column view. It is now complete. Now we'll create another task or another bar where we will keep our unscheduled tasks. So we're going to duplicate this and we are going to remove the filters like so, and we are going to call it unscheduled, and we will keep it like that. There we go, unscheduled. Now we will also add another column right here, pull this down like so, and over here we'll copy this like so, and we'll put it right here, and we will change the layout to calendar. This is going to be the calendar now, like so. Keep it down here, and we'll put it over here if our needs be, like so. Our tasks are way down here, but you know, keep it as they are. Now what we need to do next is over here we'll have no data set. Now all we need to do is, if we want to move our filters or our unscheduled tasks, we can put them anywhere in this, you know, calendar we want to. Yep, now we've just changed the layout. It looks much better now. Now all that's left for us to do is to create a inbox, which I will do this right now. So we just simply duplicate it right. So we'll duplicate this and we'll put this right here at the top. It's going to be our today, and we'll rename it to inbox like so. And the filters will be empty and is clear. It will be for projects, contains is empty. There we go. That's nice. And now finally we need to add our projects over there at the top. We'll copy the original link of the projects, right? And we'll just add it right here. We'll go ahead and add 2 columns right here, like so, and we'll move it over here, and we'll paste it over here, paste the link, and create a linked view of database. And instead of tables, we'll change the layout to a gallery. That looks much better, and we'll increase the view like so. I think that looks much better. And right here next to our inbox, we will have all of our projects, and yeah, I think that looks much better. And that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.